Hi boys and girls, so today we're going to do our grammar. I am holding a webcam right now, so let's see if we can do this and not make you too dizzy, okay? Alright, so we're going to write our names at the top. You're going to write your name, I'm going to write mine. We are on page 46. Okay, so please be sure you're on page 46. If you're not on page 46 in your Grammar Boost book, you need to get that now. Pause this video and go get it. It says, I can do a lot. Put a comma after the first two verbs in each sentence. So remember, verbs are something that we do. Okay, so if you can do it, it's a verb. Okay. Why did you hop, skip, and jump in the mud today? So there's three things they did. They hopped, they skipped, and they jumped. Why did you hop, skip, and jump in the mud today? And it says put a comma. A comma looks like this. Put a comma after the first two verbs. So there's three verbs there. We need to put a comma after the first two. Why did you hop, comma, skip, comma, and jump in the mud today? Because that is a list. Okay, and when you list things like that, you have to put a comma after the first two, okay? I will make, shake, and take away some of these crafts. So make is what they're doing, shake, and take. Those are the three verbs. That's something they do. You can make something, you can shake something, and you can take something away. And they want us to put two commas after the first two verbs. Okay, let's look at this one. I found its hat, glasses, and dress on the way to Ben's bed. Oh, look at that. That's a possessive. It's Ben's. He owns it. They did that one right, didn't they? Now, I found its hat, glasses, and dress on the way to Ben's bed. I don't think that those are verbs. See, Mrs. Burnett has to think about things too. I found its hat, glasses, and dress on the way to Ben's bed. So these are not verbs, boys and girls. Hat is a noun, glasses are nouns, and dress is a noun. But those three are a list, which means we still have to put commas, just like we do for the verbs. Okay, but I'm not going to underline them because those aren't verbs. The what is the verb is found. That's what they did. They found it. Found the hat, glasses, and dress on the way to Ben's bed. Okay? Thank you for the fish that swims, jumps, and splashes. Okay? There's three verbs in there. Swims, jumps, and splashes, and we have to put commas in because it's a list. Thank you for the fish that swims, comma, jumps, comma, and splashes. Very good. Okay, let's see this last one. Let's see if we actually have verbs in a list. We can stand, stretch, and play now. Oh, we do. Stand is a verb, stretch is a verb, and play is a verb. Those are all things you can do. And we're going to put commas after the first two because they are a list. We can stand, comma, stretch, comma, and play now. Okay, now it says write a sentence using the verbs shown. Use commas after the first two verbs in the series because they are a list. So we're going to use these words over here. So I'm going to think of something you do when you do all of these. Stand, play, and kick. Okay. I stand, comma, play, comma, and Kick is the last one. Kick at my house. Period. I stand, comma, play, comma, and kick at my house. Those are all three things that you can do. And I want you to go ahead and underline those because those are our verbs. Okay? You could have said, I stand, play, and kick at soccer. Or I stand, play, and kick at my friend's house. Okay? Let's look at this one. Hop, eat, and sleep. I'm going to use this person as the noun. Not really a person, right? It's a bunny. The bunny, and because of my prior knowledge, I know that whenever you hear E at the end, it's a Y. The bunny hops, comma, it's a list, eats, comma, and sleeps. Period. End of sentence. The bunny hops, eats, and sleeps. And we're going to underline those because those are what they do. Remember, a verb. What is a verb? We do it, do it, right? Okay. So, you can come up with your own of these if you'd like, or you can do mine. I do want you to make sure you have your commas after the first two verbs because it's a what? List. Okay? And then after you're done, these you need to highlight. Find them up in here and highlight them. Away, now, some, today, way, why, it's, think, and these. Find them up here and highlight them.